In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer photos from Google Photos to another Gmail account. This process can be very helpful when you need to move personal photos to a separate account or if you're looking to share them with another user. Let's jump into it, and I'll guide you through the steps so that your precious memories make the journey securely and without any hitches. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to photos.google.com. Once there, log in using your original Gmail account. This is the account where all your photos are currently stored, and it's from here that we'll begin the process. As you're logging in, you'll find yourself in familiar territory. Now, before rushing ahead, take a quick moment to ensure that you've got access to your complete photo library right here. Once everything is loaded and you're sure you've got all your photos at your fingertips, look up to the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot a small gear icon here. This represents your settings. Give that a click. Inside the settings menu, you want to navigate down to find the sharing section. Within this section, you'll see an option labeled as partner sharing. Go ahead and select it, because this is going to be crucial for securely transferring your photos. Now, with the partner sharing settings open, you have the ability to decide just how much and which of your photos you'd like to share. You'll encounter an option here to choose starting dates. You could choose to share all of your photos by selecting off, or if you have a specific date in mind, perhaps the day you started using Google Photos, you can choose that. This allows you to craft a sharing experience that's tailored exactly to your needs. Next up, there's the option to select which photos you'd like to share. You'll get to choose between all photos or simply photos of certain individuals, which can definitely come in handy if the depth of sharing required differs. If transferring everything is what you want, selecting all photos is the simplest route. On the other hand, for more specific memories, it's possible to pick photos based on the people in them. Make your selections and then click on Next. This is where you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the Gmail account you'd like the photos to go to. You can enter it manually or select from the suggestions Google might offer. Once entered, hit Next once more. The final step on this account is to send out the invitation. Just click on Send Invitation. Doing this will prompt an email alert to the receiving Gmail account, confirming that you'd like to share your photos. Now, let's shift focus to your second Gmail account. Log into that account, find the invite you've just sent and open it. Agree to the invitation by following the prompts provided. By doing so, you're granting permission for the photos to be shared with this account. And with that, the transfer process is complete. All your selected photos should now be available in your second Gmail account under Google Photos.